Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to buy gift card on SHEIN app. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you're logged in. After opening your SHEIN application, at the bottom right, you can see the option Me icon. You have to tap over there. You will be led to your profile page, and at the top, you can see the option gift card just beside wallet option. You have to tap over there. Here you can see now various gift card option. You can choose any one that you prefer. Here you can choose designs, likewise amount according to your choice and preference. After you are done selecting it, you need to fill down some information. That is the email address of the person you are sending to and the name that you are sending from. Likewise, at the first, we need to enter the email address of the recipient. After you are done entering the email address, simply type your name. After that, you need to add a message to send to the recipient. Make sure it don't exceed more than 250 characters. After filling out information, you can see the terms and condition. After reading the terms and condition, you have to agree on the terms and condition. After that, tap on checkout. Now they will confirm that the email address is the recipient's correct email address to send the verification code and password. In case if you are having any doubt, then you can tap on the option edit and correct it. But in case if you are confirmed, then you can tap on confirm. You will be now led to the payment method page. Here you can see option of credit or debit card. You have to tap on that option. After tapping on that option, you can simply tap on place order. After that, you need to enter your card number, likewise the expiry date of the card, and likewise your CVV. After that, you have to tap on place order, but take a note that it will take 1 to 7 business days for the verification process. This is how you can buy gift card on SHEIN app. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.